is my first time at Basecamp. Super excited to be here. There's just tons to learn, and I'm happy to be here around the people that literally created it.
The reason why I'm at this SketchUp event is because I use SketchUp in my day-to-day work. Finding new tips, tricks, extensions, ways to implement it into new workflows is what I'm looking for. Anyone who's interested in this industry would gain so much from this.
Social events and mixers and stuff are very exciting. They just kind of give you a different context besides the classroom to see what other people are up to in just a more relaxed environment and hear their passions as well.
I've definitely enjoyed meeting new people that I can interact with even after Basecamp has been amazing.
I had a great time. I happened to be singled out and got what I referred to as mugged in public by the magician.
I'd absolutely recommend 3D Basecamp. I will be back for all future camps. It's a difference between using the software day to day and also just being around this huge community of people that are just so excited about it and that just elevate each other.